Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a footer menu in Shopify Refresh theme. So for example, I'm currently on my Shopify store and you can see the footer section right here that normally has the privacy policies and the terms and condition pages. I'll be showing you how to create that. The first thing you want to do once on your Shopify admin page, you could go over to the left-hand menu option and select Online Store. After selecting Online Store, you could select Navigation, and from there you could select Footer Menu. After selecting Footer Menu, you can see at the moment we have Search. You could tap on Add Menu Item and you could add in different pages if you want. But what I would recommend you do is go over to the left-hand menu option, select Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. So let me discard that. Tap on Settings. After you have selected Settings, from the drop-down left-hand corner, you're going to tap on Policies. And this is where you'll be able to create different policies. Whether you like to create a refund or return policy or terms of service, you could tap right there. Then you could select Insert Template. After you have done that, you'll tap on Publish, and it will automatically be added to the footer section. You could also add the shipping policy if you want. You could add a shipping policy, and you can also add the return and refund policy. Once you're finished doing that, if we were to go back to our online store and refresh the page right here, you'll realize that the terms of service has now been added. And again, if you would like to add your own pages, you can go right there, tap on menus from the left hand corner. Then from there, you could tap on Add Menu Item, and you could type in the page name that you would like to add, for example. Then you'll tap on Search or Paste Link, and you could select Pages, and you could search for the page that you would like to add. So let's say, for example's sake, I'll just be selecting this page, for example. Then we'll tap on Save it. Another thing that we could also do by selecting Online Store from the left hand corner, you can tap on Customize. Once here, you could tap right where you see Footer and you could tap on the drop down arrow, then tap on Add Block, and you're going to select Menu, or you could choose to add brand information or text. But let's say we were to select Menu. After we have selected Menu, you can see our menu has been added. So the page that we created earlier is added, and we also have the terms and service right there. To save our changes, we'll tap on Save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful.